Come on, bro. I got the video with me and you, man. Come on, man.
Nigga, go
Stop it,
play it
Charleston.
then. Why you on here bothering me about it then? Nigga, go play it then. Nigga, fuck you on here bothering me about some shit I ain't thinking about. Yes, on your mind. That's on your mind, broke nigga. I ain't got that broke nigga activity shit on my mind. Yeah, that's on your mind, broke nigga. The thug and gun and nigga. Get your broke ass on. I got the video. Go watch it, nigga.
What's the word, Charleston, buddy? That's my guy. What's good, Charleston White, buddy? I'm back at it. What you got going on, kid? Yo, he always be adding people and he don't say nothing. You feel me?
Charleston busy right now or something.
Yeah, bro. I'm trying to join the podcast too because I went viral with Charleston White like a year ago.
Yeah, congratulations, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. I've been doing my own little podcast. It's called Do Not Cat Radio. I see you
I gotta
got your
follow you,
joint
man.
going.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my little channel off the ground too.
Fuck with me, bro. I got some good content, bro.
Yeah,
I got good
follow me, man.
content.
I'll follow you too.
Yeah. I done already hit the follow button. But yo, after I went viral with Charleston, I started turning up, man. I went viral again like a few more times after that, but he got me lit,
Hell
man.
yeah.
Charleston. Yeah,
Hell
he
yeah.
got me
I
lit.
don't know what this nigga. I don't know what he's doing right now. He done accepted people and walked away from the phone.
Yeah. He know who
There
I
you
am
go.
though. He see my face like
There you go.
he already know what time it is. Big YSL kid.
Hey, how you doing, Charleston?
Charleston White, Big YSL. You know what it is? Slime life.
Hold on, I gotta cut the music down. I can't hear nothing you're saying. I just see you raising your hand. I got your headphones on.
What up, Charleston? Mr. Do Not Cat Radio in here, boy. What up? Listen, I want to know.
Out here in Miami.
I want to know I want to ask a couple questions about YSL because you know what I'm saying.
I don't know nothing about it.
The last time we talked, you told me fuck Gunner, fuck Thugger, and all of that. Well, I'm with you on that one now, buddy.
That might have been years ago. I ain't never said fuck Gunner. Never.
Not Gunner, but you said
I ain't never
fuck
said fuck.
Thug.
I ain't never said fuck Thug on her.
Come on, bro. I got the video with me and you, man. Come on, man.
Nigga, go
Stop it,
play it
Charleston.
then. Why you on here bothering me about it then? Nigga, go play it then. Nigga, fuck you on here bothering me about some shit I ain't thinking about. Yes, on your mind. That's on your mind, broke nigga. I ain't got that broke nigga activity shit on my mind. Yeah, that's on your mind, broke nigga. The thug and gun and nigga. Get your broke ass on. I got the video. Go watch it, nigga. Yeah, man. Yeah, nigga, your mind on that shit. Nigga, my mind ain't on that bullshit. Nigga, heard it. Nigga, it's lunchtime. Nigga, that's out by gun. Nigga, I want to ask you a couple questions. Nigga, find you something better to do with your mind as a grown black man. Fam, I knew I should have took my headphones off fucking with you, nigga.
Charleston. I just want to say you a goat, nigga. That's it. Bro, I be watching your shit. I'm finna get off this hoe, though.
What's up, nigga? Yeah, not too much, man. Hey, nigga, I hear that shit. You play your
Charleston.
boy.
You ain't doing it out here for the kids, man.
Fighters, bitch.
See White, man. Sam. Man, ain't rolling Nathaniel over there. Ain't gonna put us in the lodge just to sit down.
That nigga weird.
I tell you, man. All I hear at Universal.
But that shit, it's not.
See White? Charleston ain't got no connection out there.
Hey,
Finna peel up out of here. No dead riding activities over here. Put them little headphones in there.